Shit's still clean though.
Yeah. YouTube. It's another beautiful Sunday. I am headed up to work to check my building because my building is like really bad on leaks, and like it's been raining the last couple. I ain't gonna cap. This past week it's probably rained the entire past 7 days. I'm pretty sure it's rained. But other than that, we have a car meet later on at 6, and it is my group actually, Tuned by Faith, and I am very excited for this meet because it's a lot of people in St. Louis that's posting like this has gotten around a lot. So I feel good about this. You know, this could be big for me and my group, and can't really wait, you know what I mean? But another thing, yo, when I put this freaking cold air intake, bro, and I took that sound tube off, bro, I don't know if like people have, I don't know if other cars have sound tubes or whatever, but good lord, bro, when I tell you it's so loud in the car, like whenever I like floor it, downshift, whatever, it's so loud. But this is what we deal with in Maryland Heights, and it be ticking me off. Like, what are you doing? On your brakes the entire time. Doing 17 around this mug, bro. What are you doing? These Indians can't drive, bro. But as you can see as well, I cut my hair off. I cut it off January 21st, and you know it's crazy because the nigga got waves already. Nigga, I was waving a month in, you know what I mean, nigga? That's how you know I got that good hair.
Oh, brother, this guy's
I'm gonna give y'all a pull real quick. Oh my God. You can hear it. Well, going off. It's a lovely day. Look at everybody. People walking the dogs. You know, chilling. Alright, y'all. We are about to head. But we about to head out. Mustang. One of my twins. Ignore this guy. Yes, sir. And we got Don. Y'all, we here. Say hi, Queen.
What's popping, guys? Don't put that down.
First couple meets, bro. We got a freaking wide body Hellcat Durango, bro, with a Z06 coming. That is beyond. Wow. Disgusting. Oh my God. Look at that thing. With the Z06. Like, look at that thing. Hold on. Look at that. F is going on here?
Where the fuck is everyone?
Low. That thing, I know he's squatting. Ooh. That. It sure live. It sure live. Look at Mar. Y'all, he just got married yesterday, so say congratulations. Oh, look at that. Y'all, look at this beauty right here. That thing's loud. Look at that thing. Oh, his friends went that way. What you think about it, bruh?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Shit's still clean though. Yeah. We've already talked before. I ain't gonna say nothing to you. We've already talked. That's disgusting. 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 Look at that thing. He just got the new lights too. It's still trash. But shout out to Slow 50. This is one of my close friends. So if y'all see him, go give him some love on Instagram with this little trash car. Oh. Got the 50. What's that, the S4? I think that's the S4. Got an AMG. Like, look at all this. They're not all tuned up cars, but they hype. You know, they can't. That mug is raw. Look at that. You said who Blue Camaros is? Girl, you know. Don't do it.
This is super beautiful.
Money well wasted. Don't hit the thing, bruh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's smooth right there. He got 2 brakes on that in the back.
Air intake on it, bro.
You got a big air intake on that thing. What you thinking?
Some NOS on it, dude.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That thing is nice though. Yeah, but hold on, let me get some graphics. Yoink. You see them wheels? Yeah. Morning YouTube. This is it's the next morning. And my camera died after that last video, so who's calling me? But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn the notifications on because next week we got a autism awareness meet and we're trying to go big. So make sure you stay ready for us.